It's Monday. It's June 7th. The weekend is over, but the heat doesn't care. It's going to be even hotter for many of us early this week compared to where we were over the weekend when we did experience the hottest weather so far this year. 91 in Denver on Saturday, 91 degrees yesterday, and I think we'll make it three of a kind today. We'll go with 90 or so in Denver. 70s and 80s over in the foothills into the mountains. It's going to be warm in the high country. We're going to melt a lot of snow again, and some spots in southern Colorado climb into the mid-90s today. Above normal statewide, anywhere from about 10 to 20 degrees above normal for most of us in Colorado for today. Tomorrow looks even hotter. High temperature 94 degrees, so tomorrow will become the new hottest day so far this year. Wednesday, we drop just a couple of degrees back down to around 90. But we should be around 81 this time of year, so we'll stay above normal. In fact, every day this week, even Friday, which should be our coolest day of the week, will still be above normal. So there's a storm system over here to the southeast of us. That's what came through over the weekend, triggering a few thunderstorms for us. That southwesterly flow keeps us hot. The jet stream, remember, does two things. It divides warm air from cold air, and with that jet way to the north, we'll be warm. And then the jet also steers storm systems. It's going to steer a weak storm through the upper Midwest. Later this week, that's going to drag what I guess we can call a cold front across the area. Nothing cold about this thing, but it will drop us into the 80s instead of the 90s on Friday. Futurecast for today showing just a couple clouds around, and then after about 2 or 3 p.m. can't rule out a thunderstorm or two. As those storms move on to the eastern plains, one or two could be strong to severe. It's unlikely we'd have severe weather in our state today, but on the scale that goes from 1 to 5, we are at a 1, a marginal threat. Hail and wind are the primary concerns. Brief heavy rain and strong gusty outflow wind, I think, would be the bigger issue. So 90s through Thursday, and then mid-80s on Friday, again still above normal, then right back up to around 90 again for the weekend.